Are you frustrated because you see other people come up with great ideas, but you can't seem to come up with one? The truth is that great ideas are everywhere, by the thousands, and they're right in plain sight. You just haven't programmed your brain to see them. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find countless quality business ideas. Here are all the tools you need: a pen, a notepad, and a working brain. Let's start with a quick exercise. Look at all the circles in this video and try to find as many red circles as you can in the next 3 seconds. Ready, set, go. So, how many blue circles do you see? Your brain only sees what you program it to look for. Since you were looking for red circles, your brain automatically ignored the blue ones because you weren't looking for them. The same thing happens with your idea brain. Unless you know what you're looking for, ideas become invisible to most people. But that's about to change. By the time this video ends, you'll be seeing ideas everywhere you go. Okay, wise guy. So, how do I find ideas? If you pay close attention, you'll notice that in essence, most, if not all businesses, have something in common. They'll solve a problem, a need, a frustration, or they make an existing product better. Amazon took the frustration of ordering online and they made it simple. Google looked at Yahoo and they made a better product. In order to find great ideas, you need to train your mind to see opportunities and frustrations, needs that aren't being met, and find things that can be made better. The secret is to pay attention to your surroundings and notice opportunities. Start with your personal life. Have you ever felt frustrated about something? Do you ever wish there was a better way? Chances are you're not the only one feeling this way. Your job as an entrepreneur is to find problems and create solutions. Look for people saying things like, I hate, how do I, this sucks, I don't like, I need help, I can't find, I'm frustrated, I wish there was. Find solutions to these complaints and you got yourself a business. Here is exactly what to do. Carry a small notepad and a pen, or use your phone if you want, to write down 10 ideas every single day. Force your brain to look at your surroundings and find problems, needs, or potential improvements to already existing products, and write down 10 every single day. It doesn't matter how dumb or simple the problem or idea might sound, just write it down. Maybe you went to a restaurant and the service and food were crap, yet the restaurant was full. Imagine what you could do if you started a nearby restaurant with incredible food and incredible service. Your friend complaining about how he hates using Excel for work because he doesn't know how to use it. Why not create a course that teaches people how to use Excel and sell it to all those people feeling frustrated? Or maybe you go to a conference and you hear a realtor talking about how he has no way of showing his international clients the potential properties other than by boring pictures. Well, why not use existing technologies like 3D scanning to create an interactive, visual, and professional way for realtors to show their properties? Like I said, it doesn't matter how stupid something might sound. The trick is to build up your idea muscles like a bodybuilder works on his body. With some practice, you'll notice that you start seeing ideas everywhere you go. Eventually, you'll find an idea that gets you incredibly excited. You'll feel it in your gut, and you'll wake up the next day anxious to get started. Those are the type of ideas that you need to look further into. Have fun with this, and don't overthink things. Don't spend too much time in the idea phase. Find something that excites you and go for it. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and start finding treasures. These treasures are disguised as problems, frustration, and needs. So start digging. I hope you found this video helpful.